Determine the limit as x approaches positive infinity and as x approaches negative infinity of sine x, and determine the limit as x approaches positive infinity and as x approaches negative infinity of cosine x. Starting with the limit as x approaches positive infinity of sine x oscillates for all positive angles. So as x approaches positive infinity, it will continue to oscillate between the extreme values of -1 and +1, but it does not approach a single value, and therefore it will be does not exist by oscillation. Next, to work out the limit as x approaches negative infinity of sine x. Sine x also oscillates for negative angles, and it does not approach a single value, but rather just oscillates between the extreme values of -1 and +1. So this limit also will be does not exist by oscillation. The cosine function has the same properties as the sine function, will also oscillate for positive angles and not approach a single value. And for negative angles, it will also not approach a single value. So these will all be does not exist. For a limit to exist, it has to approach a single finite value. These remain finite, staying between the extreme values of -1 and +1, but they do not approach a single value, but rather oscillate through all numbers between -1 and +1, including -1 and +1. And so they will have a limit of does not exist by oscillation. And there's the results of the 4 different limits.